Steve Weiner here from GetRubiks.com. What a week it's been, back from Ignite, and we started with our graph series, all about getting started with the graph. We did the first one. We'll put one over here. Getting started with graph. What is the Microsoft Graph, right? We just kind of talk about it, where you can access it, what it does, what the point of it is, a little bit of its background. Let's get familiar with it. Next, we went into part two, which is what can we do with the graph, right? So we started taking a look at, making some queries, calling things, how to construct those calls, and getting device information, user information. Kind of just got our, feet in the pool a little bit, so to speak. Part three, which should be in that corner. Part three yesterday, we kind of did what everyone started asking me to immediately after they saw the videos, is we started learning how to use PowerShell with the Microsoft Graph, because being able to make graph calls in the Explorer is one thing, but once you start using PowerShell, and kind of automating it, the world becomes your oyster. Is that a phrase they say, right? And automate all kinds of daily Intune admin tests. And if you're a member, I want to let everyone know we've been doing special exclusive videos for the Get Rubiks YouTube members that play off all of these. So what we have here, so first up is we have we're calling it graph stuff for members. We talked about advanced use cases, right? What are some of the things you would set out to do with the graph, whether it be kind of looking at device compliance or matching that up to something in Entra devices, right? What are some of the more advanced things we can do? And we took a look at that in our second members video. We started constructing advanced queries, because up here in part two, I showed you how to start building basic queries. And down here, we did advanced queries, right? Get all devices that are non-compliant that have this user and only select back the device name, ID, and all that stuff. And we also got really deep into what makes a filter, what makes a select call, and how you can better understand it. And last but not least, right, like here, this was our last members video this week, and we took it to the next level. We started talking about how we can automate things in the graph using the PowerShell module, and we made functions for it in PowerShell, and we even made our own module so you can call that and repeat your functions over and over again, help you do all those daily tasks. Don't be intimidated by it. You don't have to be a developer to know this stuff. I'm not a developer, right? And I can do it, so you can do it too. We're gonna take it one step at a time. Thanks everyone who's been participating in it. The questions are awesome. The comments and the things you're working on, you tell me about in the Discord. It's absolutely tremendous. We'll be seeing you.